Okay guys, so we're gonna go to the gas station to get in Arizona. And look at that, and there's lightning. It's only drizzling right now, so hopefully I can get back in time. It's only like 9 o'clock. I have my phone and my Fitbit, so we are literally in the dark. So hang in there. I have $2 in cash. I think it should only cost $1, maybe $1.10, depending on who's the cashier. Sometimes they apply a coupon, make it only $1. You can hear the thunder. You can smell the wet asphalt. You know that unique smell to when it starts to rain. And they said this was a severe thunderstorm, so I'm really hyped. I get Vista wouldn't be happy, but technically it's not curfew. So I'm out till either 10 or 11. I'm not too worried. It's not gonna take me my limp back because my shoes are so aggravating. But you're not gonna see much in this video, just the audio. Just trust me in the process, I know where I'm going. This is the only problem with the GoPro Hero 13 is the low light condition shit. Lightning! It's a long time, so it's 58, 59, 60, okay? There's lightning. The wind's picking up. You can see the rain's falling sideways. It's just misting though. There we go, there's the rain. It's a little drizzle. A little fast drizzle. Look at the lightning, guys. Isn't that so cool? Oh, I love thunder and lightning. That's why I should be outside more often. Who needs to be indoors during a rainstorm? I get if it's really dangerous, but there are so many places to take shelter. Literally, there's plenty of places to take shelter. Ah, here's the wind. Yeah, this wind is crazy. It's not a hurricane, but it's somehow a severe storm. I don't see how it's a severe storm yet. I guess we'll see when the lightning hits. And all that crap. It's a couple miles away still from the timing of the lightning and the thunder. I guess it's how it's till time to some degree. Oh, here's the raindrops. Protecting myself for a while. Let's go into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Oh. Playing copyright music, ignore the copyright music. Look how wet the pavement is. Haven't seen the lightning. Oh jeez. Ah, there's lightning. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 7, 8, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 38. It's a long ways away. Maybe 40 seconds away, 40 miles away. But definitely is coming in fast. I will say, definitely coming in fast. I promised my girlfriend I would do this. Get in Arizona. Not during a severe thunderstorm, but you know, like during my walk. I'm literally right here. This gas station's right there. I'm gonna go. This rain is crazy. Okay. Oh, here's the rain. Nope, it's not the rain. Well, it's the rain. It's just the rain. It's not come down quite yet. Oh shit, here's the downpour. We got here just in time for the downpour. Bye guys.